Hi!
Welcome back to my channel, my lovely people. Mama P's in the kitchen again today, cooking up with some love.
Alright, so what you making today?
I'm going to make some hominy corn. Before I go into my ingredients, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and please touch that notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will see.
Alright, nice. Alright, so what's the ingredients?
Oh, the ingredients here, I have hominy corn. I'm going to cook some hominy corn. I soaked my corn last night, and this is like 2 cups of corn, and I soak it in like 5 cups of water. And this is pretty simple. I have some coconut milk I'm going to use in there, condensed milk, my cinnamon, and my vanilla and nutmeg. And here I have a stick of cinnamon that I'm going to put in. It's already washed. So I'm going to put that in the pressure cooker with the corn to pressure. And I'm going to pressure it for about 35 minutes because I soaked it last night. So it's not that tough. I think it gets a little softer.
Alright, nice.
Alright, so let's get started. So let me pour the water out in the pressure cooker. Alright, so let me go in with the cinnamon stick, and I'm going to pressure this for about 35 minutes.
And you see, guys, she soaked this hominy corn overnight.
And I put a teaspoon of salt in there already when I was soaking it. So let me go ahead and put this in the pressure cooker. Okay, so I'm going to pressure that.
For how long?
For like about 35 minutes. Alright, so there you have it.
And we'll be back.
Yes. Okay, and here I have 2 tablespoons of flour that I forget was to mention the first time. So now my 35 minutes is up. So I am going to open the pressure cooker now to see the corn. And if it's not soft enough, I'm going to put it back in there for a couple minutes. But let's see. Let's see here. Alright, yeah, that's cooked.
Can you just take one? Yeah.
Let me take one. Alright, that's
It's
cooked.
nice and soft.
Yep, it's nice and soft, and I'm gonna take it out. Let me pour some water in there because I'm gonna transfer it to the pot now.
When you poured that water, Mom, was it hot or?
Hot water, I boil the water.
So it has to be hot when you pour it in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you want to keep the temperature going. So I'm going to transfer this to the pot now. Well,
The reason she only used a pressure cooker because it just softens up the corn
really
so much.
quick.
Yes. But Mom, let me ask you, if the person doesn't have a pressure cooker.
they put it on the stove, but it will take longer.
Oh, okay.
See, so this is soft. I'm gonna pour some more water in there. Yeah, and I just turn it on. So I'm gonna let that boil up. All right.
Give it a few minutes.
Yeah. I'm gonna go in with my coconut milk. I'm just gonna put the whole can in there.
What she did was she just added water to the coconut can.
Yeah. I'm gonna mix up the flour.
This to
act as a thickening agent for the porridge. Some people put cornstarch if you want to, but I prefer to use the flour. And some people don't like anything, they don't put anything, but I don't like when it's that watery. I like to give it a little thickness.
Okay. And this is just water and like 2 tablespoons of water and
flour.
Of flour and
Yeah.
water. Okay.
so I'm gonna go in with the flour.
And you use a strainer, is it to not get any clumps?
Yeah, don't want any lump in there. Once you start thickening up already, then you start putting it in the flour. Yes, so I turn the stove down low and I'm gonna just leave that there to simmer for a bit before I come back and let the flour cook in there. Some grated nutmeg.
I don't know if they have ground nutmeg, but
They have, yeah, but I like the fresh one.
oh, okay.
But this is probably about a half a teaspoon. Yeah, this probably about a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Because remember I put the cinnamon stick in there already, yeah, so that is.
We just like extra cinnamon.
Yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna sprinkle this in here. And I'm gonna go in with some vanilla now. A tablespoon of vanilla.
Ooh, when you put the vanilla in, you can smell it.
Smell the aroma.
Yeah,
Smells so
nice,
good. Oh.
sweet.
I can't wait for it. And you see how the flour thicken it up a bit?
Mm-hmm.
And not too thick, but thick enough, you know.
Can you use
So-
any kind of milk besides coconut milk, Mom? Or
Yeah, you can use the vat milk.
oh, a vat milk? Okay. Oh,
So I'm gonna take this piece of cinnamon stick out. Alright, so just let this spice cook in there for a bit and then I'm gonna turn it off and then I'm gonna sweeten it. Alright, so that's ready. So I'm gonna turn off the stove and take it out. Let me transfer it over here.
yeah. When you don't want to sweeten it while it's still on the hot pot, so
Yeah,
that's why
stove.
the hot stove. Sorry, hot stove.
Alright, so there it is. Okay, so let me go in with my milk now.
This is condensed milk, and you see she's not measuring this, so this is according to how you want it.
Want it, how you like, to your taste, to your sweetness.
Yeah, some people like it really sweet, and some people just like it lightly sweetened. So
And I already soaked I don't have to put any salt in there because remember I soaked the corn with the salt. So you have to, you know, put a little salt because it's corn. Take a little bit more.
condensed.
A little bit more.
And if you don't want to use condensed milk, guys, you can use brown sugar, maple syrup, honey, anything to sweeten it.
As long as they have some form of milk in there. You have to have some form of milk in there.
Isn't that the coconut milk?
Yeah, if you have coconut milk
Yeah.
or evap milk
So just anything
and you want
to
to use sugar, that's up to you.
Mm-hmm.
But if not, but the best bet is to use the condensed milk to sweeten it. Alright, so that should do it now. That's good.
All right, so now she's ready to plate.
There you have it, guys, a nice bowl of hominy corn porridge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please touch that notification bell. And I will see you in another video. Thank you. God bless.
It's good.
Where this is going. That's what I'm. Try this.